Hi, my name is Elena Weitz and I'm a partner with the Williams Law Group. Welcome to Hot Tips for the back to school season. This is the college edition. So everybody thinks of tuition, but there's more expensive than that when it comes to college cost. You have any number of meal plans, dorm fees, books, computers. There's a lot of things that are going to come at you quickly when it comes to your child attending college. Make a list now and discuss it with your co-parent. Figure out who is paying for what needs to be purchased. The logistics of moving your child into school and even out of school for the winter break. Who is going to be doing the driving? Who's going to be packing the car? Who's going to be getting all the dorm items that your child needs? So now start making a list of everything they need, what the cost is going to be, discussing it with their co-parent in terms of who's paying, and also the logistics of who's driving the child to school and picking them up even in the winter, because it's going to come quickly. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or any other member of the Williams Law Group and check back here for more back to school tips.